Weekly list item number 1.
12 kg 500 ग्राम।
What is the date of custody?
12/8/25.
Custody days 12/8/24. Quantity Ganja is 12 kg 500. Lesser than commercial quantity allowed.
Serious.
Yes.
The third one, 967.
Second one.
Second time sub item first was 12/8/25. Sub
Second cell. Second cell.
No, custody date.
First second custody date saman.
12/8/25.
Third tar hoche 28/8. Only 29.
28/8/2025. Quantity same.
Quantity
Same common।
not seizure.
Next.
Item number 2.
350 ग्राम heroin।
कहते हैं
350।
the commercial quantity is the CD of criminal enforcement.
Item number 3.
Math legal offer. My lord, alleged offense is under
390 309 corresponding 390 IPC dita criminal antecedent similar nature ଅଛି।
390 IPC ର
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 309 PNS
ये
390 IPC robbery corresponding 390 of IPC।
3094 लिखा है इसमें।
394 of
94 ଏଟା 14 years ଅଛି।
criminal antecedent
ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି ରେକର୍ଡ
ନାଇଁ ରେକର୍ଡ ଅଛି।
କେବେ କହିଲେଣି? Yes. Since when you are in custody?
29/2025.
What was stolen or robbery was committed in respect of what?
2 mobile phones.
Alright, custody since 29/7/2025. Case of commission of robbery of 2 mobile phones. And investigation has made substantial progress. Considering the submission made by Land Council has stated that there are 2 criminal antecedents in the petition. Bail application is allowed. No?
Condition
Legal, 2 criminal antecedents. Bail application is allowed and will appear before the Hon'Ble police station. Hello, once in a week, every Sunday. Field submission of charge sheet. Yes, next.
Item number 4.
May I please? Offense number 112, 117-2, 121, 126-2, 132, 262, 296, and 351 free of BNS.
Corresponding offense. IPC
323
323, 325, 332, 341, 353, 224, 294, and 506.
public servant होगा।
पब्लिक से पुलिस जाइतले एड कर दो बाड़े भी वारंट एग्जीक्यूट करिया जाइतले।
Any injury is on or just allegation has been made.
एलिगेशन
Travel by magistrate.
All are probable.
Laboratory land.
3/8/2025.
2025. Magistrate travel offences investigation has made substantial progress. Allowed appear before the police station for detailed submission of charge sheet once in a week. Yes.
Item number 5.
May I please order? 20B to C, the petitioner was not present in the spot.
496
CT. CT criminal analysis. Yes.
Item number 6.
May I please, Your Honor? I am on DC Myler. I beg to appear on behalf of 2 accused petitioner, Kirosindhu Visai Bindhani and Badalnath. And my learned friend, Orjit Mishra, sir, is appearing for another petition. The
Allegation is that, my lord, the informant gave a written report that the present petitioner, who is an employee, he, on the relevant day, he, along with some cash, he went to deposit the same. And he made a complaint that the cash has been stolen by some unknown persons. And later on, during investigation, it is found out that the present petitioner also involved in the said crime. He has passed on the information to the co-accused persons that he will travel along with the cash, so they can rob him.
What was seized from you?
1 lakh from my petitioner, Your Honor, 2,50,000 rupees from accused petitioner, namely Badalbag. And
ମୋ ପାଖରୁ ସିଜ୍ ହେଇଛି 10,910 ଟଙ୍କା।
ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଲକ୍ଷେ ଟଙ୍କା ସିଜ୍ ହେଇଛି, ଆଉ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା।
But Badalbag ପାଖରୁ କଣ
ମୋ
2
ପାଖରେ
lakh
2,50,000 rupees cash was seized from possession of accused Badalbag.
2,50,000.
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
And another
1,49,000 from Dayanidhi Gonda.
ଆଜ୍ଞା। ଶିବ ପ୍ରସାଦ ପାଖରୁ ସିଜ୍ ହେଇଛି 10,910। This is the my certified copy of the seizure list.
And
I have filed the seizure list, my lord, para page number 25.
That is with respect to Shibo Maya.
Gabriel
Prisoner
Wilson,
in 9039.
Gabriel Wilson,
The
27
prisoner was arrested on 23/7/2025.
they are forward to court on 24. On 24 they are purchased, my lord.
and counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner was an employee of Hitachi Gas Management Service Private Limited at Bhubaneswar office located at Nayapalli, and though he alleged to have misappropriated cash of rupees 11,04,370, but during course of investigation, only cash of rupees
10,910.
10,910 was seized from his possession, whereas cash of higher amount was seized from the possession of the co-accused persons. Further submits that these are all magistrate tribal offences.
Madam.
Measure.
Offences are tribal when magistrate investigation has made substantial progress. Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. Land counsel for the petitioner has filed a copy of the seizure list. Statement of witnesses were taken on the ground. After hearing the land counsel for the state, statement and the notice of accusation against the petitioner, period of detention in judicial custody, and progress of investigation, and inclined to release the petitioner on bail, subject to condition that he shall cooperate with the investigation.
Okay.
What about the any connected matter?
Same, sub-item test.
এটা কোনটা?
Hero Sindhu.
হিরো সিং এর বিন্ধানি কোন? কেবে রয়েছে? Will be council.
ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ କହୁଥିଲି।
Huh?
My lord, I beg to appear for petitioner Hero Sindhu and Badalna, my lord. It is a connecting item to connecting item number 6,
Hero Singh, there are two
23
appellants.
arrest 23 arrest ହେଇଛି।
my lord.
So the arrest was on, you are not the employee.
No, I am not the employee. I
So,
assisted the
Well, these both the petitioners were taken into custody on 24th or
My lord. 24 July.
24 July 2025.
my lord.
What was recovered? It's a
From
ଜଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ ଜିନିଷ କେତେ ଜଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ
ଆଉ ଜଣ ପାଖରେ 1,49,000.
custody because the petitioners are in judicial custody alone. 24/7/2025, but they are not the employees of that, huh? And though the cash is one so 11, but an amount of rupees
2,50,000 from Badalnath,
2 lakh
my lord.
2,50,000 was
From
seized
Badalnath.
from appellant number 1, appellant number 2, Badal Bagh, and Khira Sindhura kete?
My lord, 1,49,000, my lord.
Acha, appellant number 1 hochi
1,49,400.
1,49,400. Appellant number 1 to agu nahi ho, petition number 1 to agu nahi ho, petition number 2. Baki sab saman rahe ho, allowed karo. Yes.
Item number 7.
Item 7. Entry matter so there is.
I absolutely the informant mercy. I the case of my lord Spoxo, the informant is.
You have appeared already.
Yes, sir.
Give me a copy.
And file the compromise affidavit matter has been compromised.
Have you obtained the
Black key in the my lord affidavit compromise.
the land council for the informant has filed a joint compromise affidavit
Black key.
between the father of the petitioner and the opposite party number 2 informant. Let a copy of the said copy of the compromise affidavit is handed over to the land and council for the state. You have received the case diary. The land council for the state submits that though he has received the case diary, he wants to obtain instruction on this compromise affidavit.
My lord,
Of this matters on the
informant my lord herself my lord filed the affidavit.
all right, let him take it.
15 years how can. If team is the only thing.
Next,
Item number 8.
You understand to the business minute. कोई कुछ release by
कौन है?
lot.
310 में कौन?
You the body minute have taken out 5,200 from the informant.
IPC रो कौन?
395.
395.
Yes.
Yeah, have you received the case diary?
कोई कुछ will acted by lot minute. They named in FIR, Malad. Chaudhary pilot Kisan and another Malad. Ashok Kumar, they named in FIR. Nachiko 5,200 Malad from the informant.
It's wrongly recorded that it is traveled
Yes,
by
yes,
magistrate.
yes, bro.
The land custodian
Yes, same day.
the land council for the petitioner submit that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 18/7/2025.
Melody, I am in Melody 1970.
And the allegation is that what is the amount?
5,200.
Huh?
5,200.
And the allegation against the accused person is that they have taken away cash of rupees 5,200 by assaulting the informant. The investigation has made substantial progress and that similarly situated accused persons have been directed to be released on bail. And accused persons may be Chaudhary alias Pilot Kishan and Ashok Kumar Behra have been directed to be released on bail. And therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. He files the copies of the bail orders which are taken on record. Land counsel for the state doesn't dispute that the petitioner is similarly situated like the four accused persons who have been enlarged on jail. Considering the submission, period of detention of the petitioner and judicial custody, release of the accused persons on bail and inclined to release petitioner on bail. Baकी terms and conditions ये जहाँ रजिस्ट्री यहाँ रखी है.
My lord, in sub item and transportation, my lord, 19th July.
तो तारा प्रॉब्लम था उसी 19 जुलाई
Moru 19.
बाकी सब समान है.
Moru 19.
19 जुलाई
I can set it on.
19 जुलाई
Certificate.
allows legal. Next is
Item number 9.
My lord, and we have promised to Amitabh Tripathi and praying for lecture.
praying for
I am praying for action that one.
case diary अच्छी है.
Again.
CD available and counsel for the petitioner seeks for an agenda. After the holidays.
Number 10.
May I? I have the objection. Wildlife.
हाँ
Wildlife Protection Act.
आणि जो
Let us see, yes.
CD of criminal artist
Again.
9169 have criminal.
ఇది మన prosecution report आणि बेटा ये तो
I have to Part B, my lord.
prosecution report and about criminal antecedent.
Again.
Next. After puja holiday, yes, next.
Item 11.
52 है पुलिस एक्ट 120 लीटर आईडी
Criminal understanding.
केबीटू कॉर्पोरेशन
13/8/2025
13/8/2025 13/8/2025 magistrate travel opens a lot.
Item 12.
20B2B 10 kg ganja and the petitioner is in custody since 5th August 2025.
केबीटू
5th August 2025.
5th August 2025 quantity of ganja hochi 10 kg lesser than commercial quantity allowed next.
Item 13.
20B2B of 20 days, 12 kg ganja.
12 kg.
Custody के
13/8/2025.
13/8/25 12 kg ganja lesser than allowed.
Item 14.
13 million also 12 kg, 20B2B, and 12 kg ganja recovered from 6
12/8
Yes.
12/8/25 12 kg ganja.
Yes. All millers something further from 6 activities.
ଏରା ସବୁ ଏଠିକା ଲୋକ ନା ବାହାରର?
ବାହାରିଆ
ବାହାର ଲୋକ ଏଟା local surety
Condition.
local surety. Yes, next.
Item 15.
52 Odisha Exchequer, my lord. Allegation the petitioner transporting 12 liter of ID liquor, my lord. No CA, custody since 12/8/25.
12/8/25 magistrate travel offense allowed. Next.
Item 16.
Corresponding offense.
Yes, more. Another for that day.
Corresponding offense is, my lord, 307. Of IPC section,
Actually, case diary अच्छी
my
है.
lord, we are directly not involved, my lord.
Won't see case diary until now.
In the meantime, your lordship, injured has also been discharged.
And not the,
There is allegation, my lord.
criminal antecedent. Yes.
No anticipation.
Absolutely. Next.
Previous rivalry, the informant husband has killed the petitioner's father.
Item number 17.
Item 17.
Kindly pass over, my lord.
On it options कौन हो?
Offense, my lord, 108. Pass over, my lord, is coming, my lord.
आणि चंदी case diary अच्छी.
Again.
108.
Abatement to suicide.
वो 306 है पर. ये थे expired
There was a love relationship.
expired की कला ना कौन deceased लो.
This is the Rupasri Barik. Rupali
हाँ?
Rupasri Barik.
होंडा?
Rupali Rupasri Barik.
अच्छा.
Lordship, I am permitted to argue, Your Lordship. Yeah, in this. Lordship, he is inside custody since 11/8/2025.
He has filed on 31/25.
Charge sheet was filed on second
31/25.
Charge sheet say offense है
1080 of the Mr. Lordship.
कौन ଆଉ କିଛି material ଆସିଲା ନା
Material say, because on that day, this accused engaged in the heated telephonic conversation with the deceased, during which he subjected to a verbal abuse, humiliation, and psychological pressure. Further reveals that the accused explicitly provoked the deceased with the statement, "To die, I will live in peace." Such contentious harassment, abuse, and the deliberate instigation by the accused amounted to abatement of suicide within the meaning.
What was the age of the victim?
15.
15.
17 मिल तक बापा ना अम्मा 70 वर्ष होची.
There was love affair between the two.
There is a lot of affairs.
He refused to marry her.
Refused to marry. Kept he was lived in his house after completion of the course. ସେ ପଢୁଥିଲା ବେଳେ ସେଠି ରହିକି ତାଙ୍କର ରିଲେସନ ଥିଲା ସେଇ ଗାଁରେ ପୁଅ. Thereafter he left this village and lived in his village.
Yeah.
The appellant, petitioner. When he contacted over telephone, there was a regular contact with both of them. It is when he refused to marry and did not agree with the marriage, then
No, whether she was pregnant or not.
No, there is. That's a kind may read the charge sheet.
Yes.
Item 25,
I see. The custody 22/8/2025 bag added.
outsider.
ICR 25 and STV lesser than commercial quantity and outside of that local servants of the. Yes, allowed.
item 26,
Custody since 27/7/2025, madam. Offense under section 126(2), 1152, 296, 1091, 51(2), 85 of Venus, with section 4 of DP Act, madam. Here petition is the
There is she.
stated request.
On IPC offenses.
IPC office is related 341 to 320.
498 and 307.
307.
307.
As for 307, madam, so injury is simple, madam.
Who is this petitioner?
Petitioner is the husband,
Husband.
madam.
What is the name of the victim? Your wife?
Manju Malik, madam.
Manju
Manju Malik,
Malik.
my lord.
Marriage के हुई थी
Marriage is my lord before 5 years. The lodging of the affair before 5 years. It's written in the
How many issues are there?
one issue, first one issue ହେଇଥିଲା ଯୋଉଥିପାଇଁ କି ଗୋଟେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦେଇଥିଲେ ସେଇ କରସ୍ପଣ୍ଡିଂ ଥାନାରେ ପିଲା ବି ଗୋଟେ ଝିଅ
ନାଇଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ survive କରୁଛି ଗୋଟେ ଝିଅ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
What is the what is her statement? How you assaulted her? Injury simple.
my lord injury of simple
Injury report देखिला?
injury report none the copy of
Manju Malik. Bruise right knee simple. Laceration and bruise simple. Neck left leg. तीनटा इंजुरी अच्छी
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତିନିଟା injury simple
simple अच्छी are the learning counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. Learning counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is the husband of the informant is the
white my lord informant is the
informant Manju Malik, and their marriage was solemnized 5 years prior to the occurrence, and they were blessed with a daughter. It further submits that though the allegation against the petitioner is that he assaulted the informant, but the injury report indicates that the informant has sustained 3 injuries which are sinful in nature. It further submits that on account of matrimonial dispute, the case has been foisted and the petitioner is in judicial custody since
27/7/2025
27/7/2025. Therefore, the bail application may be favorably considered. He files the copy of the injury report which is taken on record. Land counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail and place the statement of the informant. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, nature of recognition, relationship between the parties, since nature of injury sustained by the informant, and period of retention of the petitioner in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
approved
item number 27,
May I please? Allowed custody since 23/7/2025. Allowed although at the time of rejection, injured sustained previous injury, but now he is well and hearty. I think my law is the state council may obtain instruction about his health condition.
Rejection order, sir, is the very serious and
Serious.
belly.
You have not got the case there.
It is not.
Land counsel for the state seeks some time to obtain the case diary, the injury report, and also the instruction relating to the health condition of the injured as it is mentioned in the rejection order that the injured was shifted to the hospital and admitted in the ICU of this matter after puja holidays.
Okay.
And also the criminal and internal. Yeah.
Item number 28.
May I please? I mean, custody since 18/6/2025, application 420. The informer stated that he has been deposited ₹7,60,000 in the company account, the GPNS company. And thereafter, the
11 criminal antecedents.
12
Yes,
criminal antecedents.
12.
11.
The list of the file kariye. You have got the case diary?
Yes, it is.
The land counsel for the state who has received the case diary on verification of the same submits that the petitioner has got 12 criminal antecedents.
11.
11. 8 of the missing.
8 are missing.
11 criminal antecedents.
No.
Let the land counsel for the petitioner obtain instruction relating to the status of such cases and file a comprehensive affidavit to that effect after puja.
Item 29.
Continue to say nothing from the possession of the petitioner matter.
After 1 year mail.
After puja.
Item 30.
May I be judged?
He is first of all arrested in LRC, forward PS, thereafter when he released on bail that case, then he has taken remand so far this case is concerned, and this case remand 15/7/2025 LRC. The allegation that this petitioner was taken ₹40 lakhs from the informant to provide a land. But later stage when the land could not be provided, later FIR has been lodged LRC. But admitted the FIR, he has stated that the informant that 8,50,000 is given for account transaction, and the rest of the account is in through case LLC. And my fact is that 8,50,000 is a fake LLC. Rest of the amount I have never been received.
No, 3টা check ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଦେଇଛି ପରା।
ସେଇଟା ସେ କହୁଥିଲେ ସେଇଟା
ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟରେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ ହେଇଛି।
ସେଇଟା 8 ଲକ୍ଷ। ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ଯୋଉଟା 8,50,000।
No, no, no. 3ଟି ଚେକ୍ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ 40 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ମୋଟ ସେଥିରୁ ଚେକ୍ ଆକାରରେ ଦେଇଛି 31,50,000 ଟଙ୍କା। ଆଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଛି 12,000।
ସେଥିରୁ ନଗଦ ଆକାରରେ 31,50,000 ଏବଂ ବାକି ଟଙ୍କା 8,50,000।
So you refund that money
And 2 criminal antecedents against me.
Take instruction about refunding the amount. Because it's not that somebody is alleging that ମୁଁ cash ଦେଲି ଏଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କ account ବି transfer ହେଇଛି।
The account transaction amount that I am ready to refund LLC.
Third, the land and counsel for the petitioner took some time to obtain instructions relating to the refund of the money which the petitioner have received from the informant to bank deposits. Of this matter after the holidays.
मतलब मैं सबमिट वन थिंग मतलब आउ जो बाकी जो नहीं थिला मोर कैश आकर चेक आकर लिखित आकर हम रिपोर्ट सेटा फाइल माइनर सबमिट
Yes.
You supply copy also to our.
मतलब पावर
ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ପରା ଏଠି ଗଣେଶ୍ୱର ବେହେରା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଏଟା ନୁହେଁ କି ଆପଣ?
Along with the concept of other powers there, so not reflected. My name and my.
ଆଚ୍ଛା, the name of the land and counsel for କାଇଁ ନାହିଁ ତ କାଇଁ ଇନଫର୍ମାଟିଭ ଇଏ
Goklat number ଅଛି।
ଏଟା ତ ପିଟିସନ ହବ।
ଏଟା ଯେ ସମସ୍ତ ପାୱାର ଅଛି
ଦେଖି it is stated that Mr. S.K. Baral and his associates have filed power for the informant Bhakti Pada Behera on 29/2025.
Along with Ganesha Veralers. ଖାଲି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ନାଁଟା ଆସିଛି ଆଉ ରେଷ୍ଟ ନାଁ ସବୁ ପଦ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଆସିଛି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଗଣେଶ୍ୱର ବେହେରା and his associates the S.K. Baral କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଗଣେଶ୍ୱର ବେହେରା and his associates the name of the other counsel apart from Ganeshwar Behera shall be reflected in the cause list henceforth. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 31.
600 liter ideal liquor.
600 liter idle liquor, 2 criminal antecedents.
7/8/2025.
The Holy Court case number of 851/23 and the Holy Court case number 162/20.
7/8/2025, investigation has made substantial progress. Magistrate travel ordinance, and considering the submission of Grand Counsel for the state is submitted that the petitioner has got 2 criminal antecedents.
2 criminal.
Inclined to release the petitioner on this subject to condition that he shall not indulge in any criminal activity. And appeal before the IAC, Holy Court Police Station, once in a week, in every Sunday for a period of 3 months.
Item 32.
Achi case diary achi. Yes, Mr. Mahapatra.
My lord, this is a case under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code, my lord.
Since when you are in custody?
I am in custody on 22/1/24, my lord.
Earlier bail application was rejected or what?
My lord. That was BLAPL number 4393 of 25. Dated.
So I think it is required to be placed before the same bench. What is the
Now, roster bench. Yes, if the regular bench may not continue, then it will go to that bench.
না এটা তো রেগুলার বেঞ্চ নয় এই ଗୋଟେ কোন ସେ ଛୁଟି ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ
ବ୍ରେକିଂ ବେଞ୍ଚ
ଆଜି ପୁଣି ପହରଦିନ ଏମିତି ଏଇଟା ରେଗୁଲାର ବେଞ୍ଚ ନୁହେଁ ଏଇଟା let them take instruction. It appears that the earlier bail application of the petitioner in BLAPL number 4393 of 2025 was rejected by order dated 13/5/2025. List this matter along with so and so before the appropriate bench with the permission of the Honorable Chief Justice. Yes.
Obliged.
Item 33.
May please. Excuse my lord. Petitioner in custody since 11/4/24, my lord. Offense 302/372 N 417, my lord. In fact, my lord. 372 is there, my lord. My lord.
Case diary achi.
What happened in this case, my lord? After my lord.
ଆପଣ ଇଏ trial ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଗଲାଣି?
Trial.
Where is the deposition copies?
Deposition with me, my lord.
Produce it. Give copies to the state council. It appears that trial has commenced and some witnesses have been examined in the trial court. Let the certified copy of the deposition of all the witnesses examined so far be filed, and copy of the same be handed to the learning council for the state after Puja holidays.
Item 34.
Pokso is there.
Pokso achi. Acha notice for them.
Item 35.
Case diary is not there.
And CD of criminal antecedents after Puja holidays. That you long with Yes,
Item 36.
In 35, my name kindly be reflected for that special lesson.
After the name of Mr. Naik, Parthasarathi Naik, an additional government advocate, be reflected in the cause list for the state of Orissa. Yes.
Item 36.
May I please, my lord, the alleged offence under section 64(2)(m) along with other offences.
The
At the meantime, the
58.
victim,
Case diary is not available and the evidence has 7 number of the proceedings and
Evidence has been
my lord,
recorded.
I have filed the victim evidence I have filed.
All right, you get the case diary. CD be obtained and learned counsel for the petitioner shall file the deposition copies of all the witnesses.
No, only I have filed,
No, you file the rest of the
man,
deposition copies of rest of the witnesses apart from PW7,
man.
the victim which he had filed. Serving copy on the land council for the state put up this matter after puja holidays. Yes.
Item 37.
this one already accepted. Foxo is there.
Acquitted brother, folks, the land council for the petitioner files a memo, memo to
Yes,
the indicating therein that the appellant has been acquitted. The trial court. The memo is taken on record. The their application is disposed of as infructuous.
Item 38.
It may be yours. The alleged offence on this 450 and 372J and 372I of the Indian Penal Code also. And the present petitioner earlier approached before the Hon'Ble Court by the BLFL number. My lord,
370
CD after puja holidays.
Item 39.
May I please? My lord, offence on section 23 UC.
by 8 kg ganja.
After puja holidays. Next.
Item 40.
36/7/20, availing interim order, I surrender.
Item number 40. P76 ABH
Notice to.
Yes, next.
Item 41.
May I please, Your Lordship, the petitioner in this instant case has been in custody since 8/7/2025.
So, notice you. Serve an extra copy, notice to be students. Next.
Item 42.
May I please, my lord? I am custody since 23/6/25, my lord. FIR laws data section 1031, 85 and 80 and 35 of BNS Act along with 4 DP Act, my lord. Subsequently charge sheeted under section 108, 85.
Case diary achi.
Case diary.
Subsequent 302.
Yes, my lord.
498 302.
My lord, 490, charge sheeted under section 108, 85, 80, 3162 of BNS Act and 4 DP Act. The 306 is there, my lord, in charge sheet. My lord,
Charge sheet re 302 delete kar diyechandi.
delete kar diyechandi.
Kahin?
My charge sheet I have filed, my lord, that is flag P.
Flag?
P.
One zero 108 মানে 306
Yes, my lord.
316 টা କଣ?
316 my lord ହଉଛି ଇଏ ଆପଣଙ୍କର that is criminal breach of trust.
Criminal breach of trust. $85 ହେଲା 498.
Yes, my lord. 498.
80 ଟା ହଉଛି
304B.
So you are the husband.
Yes, I am the husband.
So when you are taken into custody?
23/6/25, my lord.
23/6/2025.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of the deceased?
Janaki Das. Wife.
When the marriage was solemnized?
Marriage was solemnized on the year 2021.
30/4/21.
30/4/21.
30/4. Any issue out of wedlock?
No, my lord.
When the occurrence took place?
That is on 21/6/25 midnight, 22/6/25.
1/6/25
Yes.
midnight.
Midnight.
So what is the cause of death?
Cause of death is my lord, antemortem in nature, hanging, my lord, due to asphyxia. That is mentioned in the
There are two external injuries.
नेक रे सुइसाइड कला ना कौन
Suicide kala my lord.
काई ये पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट है ligature mark caused by soft and broad ligature material possible by sari present in so and so. Death was due to combined effect of vascular venous congestion as a result of antemortem. Statement कौन आसी कौन पाई कला
May I read my lord?
अच्छा कंप्लेनेंट है भगवान चिन्नारा
South Vilakata.
पहली रज दिन मु मोर भौणी दुईटी भाई मोर भौणी को घर को रज भार नहीं जाइली सेठारे मोर भौणी कांदुथिबार देखिली पचारिबार भौणी कहला मोर स्वामी शाशु नुहे मिसी कहले जे 2 लाख टंका आसीबो मु न कहबारु 2-3 दिन भीतर टंका न आइले अच्छा we demanded money after 5 years of marriage. This shall be the 4 years after marriage.
May I read the charge sheet my lord?
Yeah.
On the bottom of the line, my lord, on 26/25, the victim Janaki Das received telephonic call from her father's house that they have decided to short journey or trip that a group of people make for pleasure towards Ma Tarini temple in Keonjhar district.
Food is going.
Eta achi charge sheet bottom रे अछि my lord. Middle of the para line रे अछि.
जो brief facts of the case report चुंदी.
हाँ my lord.
हाँ 2 line था.
My lord.
2 line.
Well, middle of the on 21/6/25 at 10:30 p.m. the victim had served the dinner on 26/25 जो लिखा है ची सेटू देखो भाई 26/25 the victim Janaki Das received telephonic call from her father's house that they have decided to short journey or trip that a group of people make for pleasure towards Ma Tarini temple in Keonjhar district. The deceased brought the notice of her husband, but her husband denied to go to that place as the jewelry shop is dependent with him, for which there was exchange of hot words in between them. On 21/6/25 at 10:30 p.m., the victim had served the dinner at night in peacefully, and on 21 and 22/6 midnight, after taking rest of her in-laws members, the victim Janaki Das committed suicide by hanging from the ceiling fan hook inside the adjacent room of the living room by use of sari.
Or the learning counsel for the petition, learning counsel for the issue. The learning counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is the husband of the deceased, Janaki Das, and he is in judicial custody
since
2025. And he has been charge sheeted under section 85, 80, 103 bracket 1 and 3 bracket 5 of BNS and section 4 of dowry prohibition. The marriage between the petitioner and the deceased was solemnized on 30/4/2021, and they were having no issue. And the charge sheet submitted indicates that on 26/2025, the deceased received telephonic call from her father's house that they were going on a short trip to Ma Tarini Temple in Pyongyang district. And though the deceased brought to the notice of the petitioner, but the petitioner did not allow her to visit that place, as the jewelry shop is dependent on him. And over this issue, there was exchange of hot words between the two. And on 21/6/2025, the deceased had dinner with the petitioner at night peacefully. And in that night, after taking rest of her in-laws members, the deceased committed himself by hanging herself from a ceiling fan hook by a sari. Land Council further submits that the postmortem report indicates that the cause of death was due to combined effect of asphyxia and venous congestion as a result of antemortem hanging. Land Council submits that in view of surrounding circumstances under which the deceased committed suicide, it cannot be said to be a case of dowry death, or that the petitioner abated the commission of suicide of the deceased, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state oppose the prayer for bail and place the statement of informant Bhagavan Chinara, CHINHARA, the brother of the deceased, and the postmortem report. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, nature of application against the petitioner, surrounding circumstances under which the deceased committed suicide, and the postmortem report findings, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed. Applies to me.
Item 43.
May I see? Yeah, and color 109 and 103 clause 2 of BNS along with other offense fellowship. So for 02 and 25-27 arms are gunshot.
No, gone injury, acha.
Yes,
Achi, yeta criminal antecedent. Achi.
habitual offender पंचावनटा होची तार हस्बैंड रो किंतु द फॉर दिस लेडीज कंट्रोल against their husband here lord so far the ladies control tinta antecedent also.
Now the Land Council for the state who has received the SDI submits that against the petitioner who are ladies, there are 3 criminal antecedents. You obtain the 3 criminal antecedents. Let the Land Council for the state, petitioner obtain instructions in respect of such antecedent and file a comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases. Yes.
Item 44.
Offense 103 of BNS. Petitioner is in custody since
302.
9/2024.
अच्छी केस डायरी नहीं
Okay.
one of the should be criminal antecedent and after puja holidays.
Item 45.
May I please the lordship? Alleged offence under section matter 331-4-305 of BNS Miller, corresponding offences are Miller 457-380. In the meantime, Miller, charge sheet has been filed and petitioners are in custody.
457 380
Miller, 450 and house trespassing.
कितना नंबर इटा
Sheet is not available. No, item number 45.
45
Charge sheet has been filed.
just a minute 45 but the rejection order
There belongs to the habitual offender and the West Bengal. Offenders are wrongly typed in the co-accused rejection order that has been corrected. मैं FIR टा annex कर चेंगे FIR
9200 lordship और अन्य offense बोले 307 करी
मतलब भूल लगे typical error है जाइए more rejection.
it's not a 307 case
No, 457 380. But is the co-accused rejection order in West Bengal and sheet is not available, but the rejection order says that is the habitual offender.
I know that criminal
My lord, charge sheet has been filed on a stolen article has already been recovered. Miller.
अपना criminal antecedent थी वो ना कहीं charge sheet कहीं copy कहीं
Copy of the charge sheet.
900 my lord correct rejection the file is
Petition are the scrap below. The page 14 paragraph.
my state offense also unknown FIR.
stolen articles have been seized transformer materials panel board materials operating machine 1 AC 3 numbers of motor boiler motor 5 numbers of heavy motor 1 split AC in possession of the petitioner.
Petition are the scrap below. Kabadi Thana CD. And it belongs to the West Bengal.
Probably regarding the system.
ये फेवरेट ରହିଛନ୍ତି ଏସବୁ
Custody since Miller 10/8/2025.
Dimas Bihin Matsuish. Are the learning council for the petition learning council for the state. Consider the submission made by the land council for the petition. For the petitioner is in judicial custody since 10/8/2025. Offences are tried by magistrate. And charge sheet has already been submitted. Copy of the charge sheet is filed and taken in the account. And after hearing the land and council for the state who submitted that the petitioners belong to state of West Bengal and inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Local should be cut along. Yes.
My lord, similar putting 9200.
Say date here,
My lord.
same date. Allow.
Yes.
Item 46.
Lordship, I don't paying for an advert.
Arjun case diary अच्छी अच्छी land council for the state is having the case diary but land council for the petitioner 6 for an agent after puja holiday. Yes.
Item 47.
47 my lords, 81 my lords, this is corresponding to 493 my lords, and 69 certified copy of the 161 statement. Victim is aged about 19 years old. My lord, allegation of petitioner gave a false assurance to marry her and kept physical relationship with her and thereafter took away the 70,000 rupees my lord. That is the allegation and statement is there my lord, certified copy my lord. She herself lost the affair my lords.
You are in custody since when?
My lord, I am custody 1/8/2025 my lords.
Huh?
1/8/2025 my lords.
এটা কোন date?
statement, my lord. Victim statement,
Victim law.
my lord. 30%.
Consent थिला से marriage ताकू informant निजे होची victim.
City is not,
तार प्रतिश्रुति दे दिला.
city is not available, but the rejection order shows that the injury report of the victim is not available in the case.
The land and counsel for the petitioner and counsel for each case. The land counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 1/8/2025. And the victim, who is about 19 years, appears to be a consenting party. And in view of the nature of acquisition and since the investigation has made substantial progress, the bail application may be favorably considered. He has filed the certified copy of the statement of the victim, which is taken on record, and counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, the age of the petitioner as well as the age of the victim, the progress of investigation, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail subject to condition that he shall not try to come in contact with the victim and shall not indulge in any criminal activities and appear before the London trial court on the state with the case of the posted violation for hearing, for trial. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail allowed. Published matters.
Item 48.
Also, 6 kg ganja.
After seizure.
It is not available.
Item 40.
City of criminal antecedent.
Item
Yes.
49.
Please, Your Lordship. In item 49, I'm appearing through virtual Your Lordships.
54
Look,
kg ganja.
54 is a disabled person, Your Lordship, this accused person.
This CD and criminal antecedent. Next.
Item 50.
376. Yes, there is she.
Okay, there is
9. CD criminal antecedent. Okay, she pass over 9.